So in this video we will tell you how to turn on and turn off this Olympus BX63 microscope. So first of all, you need to obviously turn on your computer, and then you need to turn on the laser source, this one, and at the end you turn on this control. There's a button at the back, and once everything is on, when you turn this on, it will fix the stage, and once the stage is ready, only then you can just go to the Cell Sense Dimension software and you launch it. And once it's launched, you will see this one will be activated. There you go. So this is now, if you've done all the settings, now this one is set. You can select which lens you want to use. There's 40. It will give you a prompt. So these 40 lenses without oil, so it has changed to 40 now. You can see. So this thing you can also do here. There is a list of all the lenses on top here, so you can select which lens you want to choose. 2x, 10x, but if you switch to 60x or 100x, these are oil lenses, so you need to put some oil. And then here you can also switch which color you are looking at, so bright field, dark chromatic, tappy, CFP, GFP, YFP, M orange, M cherry, sci-fi. So if you select the DAPI here, it will select the DAPI automatically. So now if I do GFP, it will automatically change. You can see here the changing, the number. You see, so this is DAPI now, this is GFP. It all depends. The number depends like how you did the setting. Sci-fi. So yeah, just like that. If you want to turn it off, so first of all just turn off the software, then in the reverse order you just turn this off, and then you turn off the laser sources. There is a camera on top, Hamamatsu or fluorescence, turn that off. And that's it. You can just leave it for the next user, or if you're the last user, you can just turn it off the computer as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up and leave any question in the comment section. Like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you very much.